Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error accident. So you can say this video is about the common error or grammatical mistake. So this is Ching Chang. So I'm giving here a single one example to explain the word accident, the common error, the accident. So here her car was involved in a big accident. So you can see I used here the word accident. So this is the grammatical mistake. Why it is grammatical mistake? Because this letter has the word big before accident. Don't use a big accident. Okay, big accident, big. Don't use the big accident. This is grammatical mistake. Common error. This is a common error. So yes, so you can use a bad accident, or dreadful accident, or you can say the nasty accident, or you can see the serious accident. So this is so here you can see he was involved in a serious accident. So this is the right answer. Her car was involved in a serious accident. So you can use the bad accident in a dreadful accident, or in a nasty accident, or in a serious accident. Always use a serious accident. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.